Here's an update. I got my engine in. Everything's running as it should. No check engine light. No issues. I was able to resolve. I was also able to resolve the OBD2 scanner not reading. I think it was a wiring issue. As far as my engine harness had a lot of like wires that were kind of stripped and exposed. I cut a lot of wires and soldered it back up and, you know, put the proper insulation around them. The next thing I'm gonna do, which I'm probably gonna do now, is I'm going to take the injectors from the other engine, as they have less miles. I'm not sure if that makes any difference, but these injectors do have over 250,000 miles. I did replace my radiator that was leaking, and as you guys can see, I'm not gonna open it, but my coolant doesn't have any oil in it. Not a bad swap overall, but it is time consuming.